Opening statements take place tomorrow in the murder trial of a suspected serial killer. Billy Chemirmir, accused of killing 18 elderly women who lived mostly in senior living centers in Dallas and Collin counties. Prosecutors said he posed as a healthcare or maintenance worker and then suffocated the women. Fox 4's David Santendri is live now with a preview of that trial. David.
Yeah, Heather, the trial beginning tomorrow revolves around one murder. Still, some family members of the 17 other victims will be in attendance. I spoke with one of them today. She went 2 years believing her mother's death was a natural cause until she found out it was murder.
Phyllis Payne married the love of her life. They were together for 66 years. They had children and grandchildren. After he died in 2011, she lived independently at a senior living apartment, but it was there at 91 years of age. Investigators say a serial killer, Billy Chemirmir, suffocated and killed her before stealing her jewelry.
He posed as a maintenance worker and that he knocked on her door, said he was there to fix her alert button in the bathroom, and she just let him in.
Chemirmir, who's indicted on 18 counts of capital murder, will go on trial Monday. Investigators say he targeted elderly women, suffocating and killing 18 of them in Dallas and Collin counties from 2016 to 2018, and robbed them of their jewelry. Payne's daughter says her mother almost went on vacation with family members days before she was killed in 2016.
But she said, "Oh, I can't go this time. I'm hosting bridge club. I have too much going on."
Payne's death was initially ruled a natural cause. It was 2 years later police connected the dots to other deaths.
I think there's a clear path to a conviction.
Attorney Russell Wilson, a former Dallas County prosecutor who's not involved in the case, points out that Chemirmir is only on trial for one of those murders Monday, 81-year-old Lou Harris, who was killed in her Dallas home in 2018.
The prosecutor doesn't get to come in and put on all 18 victims.
The Dallas County District Attorney's Office seeks life in prison without parole for Chemirmir. He'll later be tried in at least one of the other murders in Dallas County. He could be tried for more. Basically, if Chemirmir isn't convicted for Harris's murder, he's far from a free man.
You know, if there's 18 cases, you can have 18 trials.
Payne's daughter doesn't know what she would say to Chemirmir.
That's a really hard one.
But she'll be in court Monday with other family members of victims seeking justice and wondering why, according to investigators, he preyed on the elderly.
She would not have expected there to be anyone in the halls that would cause any harm to her. And so she just opened the door and let him in.
Some family members of the victims started an organization called SecureOurSeniorSafety.org. The mission statement is to ensure the safety of residents at senior living facilities and that they're kept away from criminal activity. Of course, we'll have plenty more on this case tomorrow.